What is going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another episode of Down to Be Outdoors. Well, turkey season has officially opened up here in the North Zone. I went one time down south of 70, and we did some hunting opening morning with no success. There's quite a few people. These areas I'm hunting are highly pressured. They don't require a permit to hunt them, which means it's basically a free-for-all for everybody. So I went out, did some scouting up here, found some birds, and we went and set up on them yesterday morning. And I'm going to go ahead and roll that footage, and then I'll get back with you as soon as we're done. special. But he'll go good in the frying pan, that's for sure. Skyline so bad, like you have no cover. Oh, sitting right up in there. All right, YouTube. Well, we had some success. Not the birds I was after, not the bird I was after by no means, but you know what? I showed up and the birds I was after just weren't there, but I found out why. They were all killed youth weekend, so went ahead and took this Jake. I mean, he'll be good eating, but I'm gonna go ahead and show you how I clean a turkey real quick. Basically all I do is come in here. I like to use a fillet knife. Get right up in there, kind of peel it back a little, make a slit. Once you make a slit, you can work it on up. So basically what I'm doing is just working up the breast. Make some cuts. Come down in here to the leg, make a cut. Put it with the wing. Basically, you just flay it over like that. You have the wing, the leg. And we'll go ahead on this side. Flip it over. Basically, once you get it started, you can just peel this. Peel it up and away. Peel all this up and away. Basically to where the two breasts are exposed. Like so. Then I go right down the middle. Follow that center cavity bone. Stay out of his feed sack. line here, kind of to where your tenderloin is. Make a cut. Once you do that, it's pretty simple. You just go ahead and follow it on up. Kind of flay that feed sack off. There's your turkey breast. Put that on a bag of ice. It's a nice breast. Go ahead and do the same thing on this side. Just gonna work right down that center line. In here, make my cut down and follow it on up. Breast number 2. So that is the easiest way to clean a turkey. Basically the only way, unless you want to pluck the whole bird, but there's just not a whole ton of meat other than the breast on a wild turkey. Definitely not a butterball, but alright everybody, well I hope you guys enjoyed that footage. Ended up taking that young bird, you know, Super Jake. Not like this past year's poult, but probably a year and a half old bird, 2 bird, you know. When we scouted those birds, you know, it was before youth weekend, and there's some really nice gobblers in there. And we went back yesterday, and we seen one bigger bird fly off, and he flew a long way. And then there's 3 or 4 hens flew down, and probably four or 5 jakes. You know, I call them jakes. They're like super jakes, right there in between gobblers and you know, baby jakes, which have like an inch or 2 beard. They're just young poults. But that bird ended up having like a little bit over a 5-inch beard. So, you know, nothing super, but with the amount of time, you know, I get to hunt this year, I wanted to at least get 1 bird under my belt. I like a Jake fan for my decoys. These Osceolas aren't very big birds, so I try to condense my gobbler decoys. I use a quarter shell decoy, and I didn't have a Jake fan. I had a Jake fan on it for years. Now I have one of my gobbler fans on it, and it's just a little bit bigger profile. They seem to really react better to a Jake fan. And you know what, it doesn't hurt. I know a lot of people don't like to shoot jakes, but I like to turkey hunt, and I like to eat turkeys. And to me, that's what it's all about. I've killed a lot of big birds in my life, and on an area where the birds are going to get scattered after open in the morning. Oh man. After the birds are getting scattered open in the morning, it really becomes hard. Those birds really aren't going to be consistent on their roost. You know, they're going to roost wherever. So, went ahead and took that bird. He's going to go good in the crock pot. And until next time, this is Down to Be Outdoors. It's my son Judd. He's the reason going to be a little, you know, not going to get to hunt quite as much this turkey season, but I want to change it for the world. He's the next generation. He's going to be the next turkey hunting machine. I can't wait to get him out there youth weekend. That's ended up what happened is I found out there's at least 2 birds shot within a couple hundred yards of where I was hunting on youth weekend. So congratulations to that youth hunter. Killed 2 fine birds, and both big old mature birds. So till next time, this is Down to Be Outdoors, and I'll catch you guys later.